Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify survey forms to CRM with Zapier AI Enrichment step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one. Navigate to the Zapier dashboard. Click on the Make a Zap button. In the Trigger section, choose your survey platform. Select the specific survey form you want to integrate. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier is picking up the data correctly. Move to the Action section. Search for and select your CRM application. Choose the action that corresponds to adding or updating a record. Map the fields from your survey form to the fields in your CRM. Ensure all relevant data is transferred correctly. Now, click on the Add a Step button to include AI Enrichment. Search for the AI Enrichment tool you wish to use. Select the relevant enrichment action. Map any necessary fields for the AI tool. Test this step to confirm that the AI Enrichment is functioning properly. After testing, review your Zap for any errors. Once satisfied, name your Zap. Finally, toggle the Zap on to complete the process. Your survey data should now flow into your CRM with AI Enrichment automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.